What's up mga kapadres? Welcome back to our channel. We're back with another video. Again, I'm Mike, so Padres, and for today we have another Funko Pop unboxing. So ngayon meron uli kaming Funko Pop na isa uli sa mga out of line kung tawagin sa Funko Pop world, out of line collection. And we have Tommy Green Ranger, Tommy Oliver for Power Rangers. So, before we unbox it, a little backstory of Tommy Oliver is, noong 90s, nung bata kami, kapag bon, lumabas yung Power Rangers na English. Tapos, they had 5 Rangers, red, blue, pink, yellow, and the Black Ranger. So, nung time na yun, syempre lahat ng bata, all the boys wanted to be ako si Red Ranger, agawan kami lahat yan. Especially I had kuya, had an elder brother na hindi, ako na si Red, ganyan. Parang pag sa X-Men or sa Street Fighter, agawan yun kung sino si Ryu, si Ken. Sa X-Men, ako si Wolverine, ako si Cyclops, yan, ganyan. Usually ganyan. So pagdating sa Power Rangers, syempre yung alpha male, yung leader ng pack is Red Ranger Jason. So lahat yan sila mga from classmates, mga babata, kapatid. Ako si Red yan, puro ganyan. So, nasa rings na ako, ayan, hindi na ako, umaya ako na lang na sila na, sige, kung sila. If I'm not mistaken, it was shown on ABS-CBN every Friday night yata. And so, eventually in the series, in-introduce na si Green Ranger, the 6th Ranger. So, yan, transition tayo sa backstory nito of Tommy Oliver. So originally pala, there were actually 6 power points. So yun nga, may red, may blue, may green, may black, yellow. So meron pa palang 6 power point, which is ninakaw pala ni Rita Repulsa. Well, development to 2020, it's not sure pala kung ninakaw ba talaga ni Rita yun or siya ang actual 6th Ranger. So hindi pa rin siya klaro to this day. Pero yun nga, noong 90s yan, sabi nila is Rita stole the 6 power point, the one with the dragon. So hindi sila manalo ni Goldar sa King Zordon and his Power Rangers. What she did was create her own ranger. So nanganap siya ng suitable na teenager din. And then doon na-introduce yung first villain na ranger, which is the Green Ranger, Tommy Oliver yan. So magaling na siya sa martial arts, match sila ni Jason. So, yun. And then eventually naging kakampi si Tommy. So move tayo sa kung saan natin nabili. So I purchased this at Philbars, SM North. Yan. And may price pa. Buy one take one siya. So $5.95. Kumuha ako ng isa. Ito yung libre. So parang nakuha mo siya na $250. Plus the box protector. So parang $250 plus $250 tapos plus 50 pesos. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So for the details of the pop, or actually let's go to the box first. Ayan, box, as you can see, top and front, number 669, Power Rangers, Tommy, and nakita nyo na yung left side kanina when I showed you the price, and the right side. Tapos the back, ayan, showing sila Rita, sila Lord Zed, other Power Rangers, and the bottom. So let's move on to the pop. Yan. The details of the pop. This is quite an old pop. And as you can see, yung sakang pa siya, yung talagang old style ng Funko. And hindi pa niya masyadong kamukha yung character. Like versus today's pops. ng mga 2020 pataas. Yan. So, ganyan pa yung para siyang sakang pa, and then yun yung shape ng feet. Yan. Pero nonetheless, it's still an okay pop.
He's wearing his signature armor, the only ranger out of the 5 or the 6 rather na merong gantong yung parang golden armor sa ibabaw ng usual na ranger suit. Ayan. Ayan, dun yung naka-holster yung dagger niya, dagger slash flute na pantawag niya sa Dragon Zord. Ayan. So this one is actually old Tommy kasi hindi siya nakasuot ng helmet niya. So, yan. Yan, kita niya rin nakamohawk siya kasi yan, yung talagang hairdo ni Tommy Oliver sa series. Whom is played by si Jason siya sa totoong buhay. Jason David Frank. Who still plays Tommy in sa mga ibang minsan I don't know what to call them, kung fan-made ba siya or low-budget short films, pero which is super cool pa rin naman. So if ever magkaroon pa ng talagang movie like yung sa series ng kay Lord Drakon sa comics, malamang siya pa rin at siya pa rin ang gaganap bilang si Tommy Oliver. Kasi sa mga sumunod pa na Power Rangers yung mga ibang series na siya meron yung parang siya na yung pumalit kay Zordon. Tapos eventually, within that series, nagkaroon din siya ng sariling suit. Nabalik siya, coming out of retirement siya. From parang coach na lang siya, naging ranger uli siya. So yun, that's it. Again, this is Mike from So Padres. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. And hindi kami magsasawa to upload videos to help, inform, and possibly entertain you guys. We love you so much mga kapadres. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification bell. Peace.